Weeks to World Cup.
Boom!
Let's hit it, boys.
We'll see you down there.
Again at Waterfall Gully. 4 weeks to World Cup. And pop. Drop. More drops. Got a bit of rock right in the corner, exit's been lacking. Pop. Seems like it connects to another trail. Pop. 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 Oh, helmet hits the trees. Not sure how much Mick's going to love this shoot. I mean, it's diabolical. There's uncomfortableness. This. That Matt's talking about that tree. I tried that line, I don't like it. Okay, there we go. So triple shoot, probably more like 17 shoots. You know, whatever you want to call it. Brakes are barely holding up. Oh, oh, oh. Hear them. And I think might due for a new brake. There you go. 4 weeks to World Cup. Which is a bit on the edge, but you know, it's good fun. End trail.